Hi, good evening. Welcome to WealthMills Securities weekly market wrap. Last week, market was traded in a very range bound, and in India we had only 3 trading days only. Market was open for just 3 trading days last week. It was a very short week uh, due to Independence Day, and we had one more Eid holiday. Altogether, we had 3 trading days. The factors that influenced the market, if we analyze last week, the big boy, Reliance Industries, brought a positive sentiment to the market last week, as Mukesh Ambani have announced in his 42nd Reliance Industries AGM meeting that Reliance Industries is going to be a debt-free company in next 18 months. He given a clear guidance by selling 20% in Reliance Chemicals, that is Reliance Petrochemicals business. He want to sell 20% to Saudi Aramco, which will bring the cash flow, and he is very clear monetizing the assets to clear the debt in the days to come. So altogether, he given a clear guidance to the market in next 18 months that Reliance Industries will be completely a debt-free company in the markets, which is a very positive signal for the market and for Reliance as a company is concerned. And he given a clear roadmap to the investors. Next few years, the other incubating businesses in the company, first the Reliance Jio and Reliance Retail, that are going to list in stock exchanges in the days to come. This is a very positive indication to the market, which made Reliance Industries stock to rally nearly 10% in last week, added around 80,000 crores of rupees market cap to the Reliance market capitalization. This announcement was a big positive for the market last week. And as you all aware, there was a hope rally that's going in the market. The hope was in anticipation of certain government incentives to the markets, where we have discussed last week. The finance ministry and the prime minister office, they had negotiations yesterday, they had the discussions yesterday to give certain incentives to automobile sector, incentives to MSME sector, and they are coming up with a clear roadmap in terms of the capital markets are concerned. Market is just rallied just because of anticipation of these incentives. We need to wait for what exactly the incentives government is going to announce, and what will be the impact on the markets due to these incentives. It is completely premature to say what the incentives that government is going to make, but there are certain incentives that are expected to come to increase the level of sentiment in the market as per stock market is concerned. It's going to be a big announcement next week, and we almost all done with earnings season last week. All the companies, major companies that are listed on stock exchanges announced the results. If we analyze the top 50 companies in Nifty, it is a very lukewarm quarter in terms of company earnings are concerned. If we analyze the Nifty 50 companies, only 7 companies posted the results above the expectations of analysts and markets. 23 companies in Nifty, their profits are way below the market expectations. So altogether, if we analyze the Q1 results, quarter 1 results are a lukewarm quarter, and many companies have posted results which were way below the earnings of last 3 years. So this is one concern. We need to see how the earnings are going to catch up with the company valuations. This is what we need to see. So that's why government is looking to give certain incentives to the industries. one of the reasons why the company earnings are very less is it is a clear indication that there is a slowdown in the economy, and for the lenders, the poor asset quality and the currency fluctuations also led the companies to post a lukewarm quarterly earnings this week. So the big announcements next week, we have a complete trading week. Next week we are looking forward, and we are looking forward for major announcements from the governments that are going to pan out the market movements in the days to come. This is what we have from WealthMills, and stay tuned for more updates. This is Kranthi signing off.